Like a bot now. Hey everyone, welcome to the Rollup AppChain Day presented by Zeeve. I have Nikki from Taiko with me. We've been talking about rollups and app chains here and everywhere, all and all again. But Taiko, it's a name everybody wants to hear about. So what Taiko is, it's a based rollup.
Correct.
What are the benefits? Let's hear it from Nikki.
So basically what separates the base rollups from other rollups is, first of all, the data settlement, the consensus layer, the settlement layer, the consensus layer, and data availability layer is all on Ethereum. And then when it comes to execution layer, base rollups post transactions off chain on its own, execute transactions on off chain, and essentially what's also the biggest added value is basically the economic alignment with Ethereum. First of all the MEV flows to L1 validators, and one key thing is that our sequencer is decentralized, right? So it inherits all the liveness guarantees from the L1, which is Ethereum. And as a matter of fact, when we actually were designing Taiko, for us it was a no-brainer that the sequencer needs to be decentralized in the industry where the sequencers are centralized. So that was there was no point in discussion for that. So it was we're gonna do that. And essentially that's what sets basically if you really want this real censorship resistant L2, that's Taiko. That's base rollup, yes.
So you heard the real censorship resistance rollup. That is Taiko. And yes, decentralized sequencing, correct. I agree. Absolutely needed. No questions. And we in fact ourselves are building Cero, a decentralized sequencer, which is going to cater to all the different stacks which does not have decentralized sequencing as yet. We'll hear more from you on the panel, yes. Though I'll ask one question which I would definitely ask on panel as well, and that is that when somebody's choosing a rollup framework or a project like yours and others, how do they decide if their use cases fit for a Taiko use case or not? And I heard you talk about DeFi yesterday on a different event. So is DeFi projects are a good fit for Taiko?
Yes, most certainly they're a good fit for Taiko, but also given our design, since we inherit a lot from Ethereum, we're a bit slower and more expensive than the other rollups, right? You are paying the cost, right, for the decentralized actual solution that you're getting. The thing is that though we're soon launching based pre-confirmations, and thanks to that the UI UX will improve massively and the transaction fees will go much lower and the transaction will be much faster. So that will be great, especially for DeFi, for the order books and the likes. So that's what we're working on, and that's about to come. And basically we're not giving up on decentralization while we're developing that, which is highly important for us. And so the future is based.
Future is based. Two key points from Nikki here, which we heard: decentralization and cost. Exactly. And I think rest on the panel. So thank you, Nikki. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Happy